One word substitution. Question number 1. An underhand device restored to in order to justify misconduct. So what could be one word which could replace or which could mean the entire sentence? So underhand device restored to in order to justify misconduct. So there is a misconduct and there is justification to that misconduct through an underhand device. So this is how you need to understand the sentence. Now you need to find out which word out of the 4 fits the description. So there is some sort of fraud or deceit which has happened. Deceit is you are duping someone, giving false information, and you are taking out something from the person. So let us find out the meaning of any of the word which fits to this criteria of duping. So what is the meaning of subterfuge? Now if you look at the word substitute, it is a secret, it is usually a way of behavior wherein you try to hide something from people. And if we look at manners means movement, maneuver. It is basically movement, which is again not correct. Let's try. Complicity is complex. Stratagem. Now this is a word which we are looking for, and stratagem meaning is a trick or a plan wherein you try to gain advantage of the enemy. So this is basically deceit. You're doing some sort of fraud. You're trying to confuse the person. So the answer is stratagem. Now what is one word for impossible to describe? Miraculous. No, miraculous is something which is a miracle. Stupendous is good. Appalling is very sad. Ineffable. Now this could be the right word. Now I hope you know the meaning of this word. Even if you don't know that, you can go and find the meaning of ineffable, and you will find that the meaning of ineffable is something which is difficult to describe, something very beautiful, very pleasant. It is so beautiful that you cannot describe in words. So that is ineffable. Now one who criticizes popular beliefs which he thinks is mistaken or unwise. Now who is a person who criticizes popular belief? Cannibal is not the right word. It is person who eats flesh. Then again, if we look at the meaning of Philistine. Now Philistine means a person who does not like or understands art. He is Philistine. So that cannot be the right answer. Let us see. Imposter. Now imposter is a person who copies you and tries to use your identity in order to steal or do something wrong. So imposter is a person who pretends to be somebody else, but he is not actually that person. So this is not the right answer. Philistine is not the right answer. Cannibal is not the right answer. So the last option which is left is iconoclast. Now what is iconoclast? If we look at the meaning of this word, iconoclast, the person who does not believe and is opposed to accepted ideas and tradition. So this is the right meaning. Iconoclast. Iconoclast is the correct pronunciation, and the meaning of this word is any person who does not believe in God. Now question number 4, detaining and confining someone. So you have in a way kidnapped a person. What is one word for this particular phrase? Now let us interruption is you are interrupting someone. Interrogation is you're asking questions to someone. Omptment. Now the meaning of this word omptment is now interment. The meaning of interment is confining someone as a prisoner. So this is the right answer. Question number 5. Signs of racism kind. Is there a word which could replace the phrase? The answer is ethnology, which is the science of. So the right answer for question number 3. To identify and eliminate options. Now if it somewhere related to interviews, historical records, analysis about a is the knowledge with regards to certain methodology and scope. Let's suppose there is a belief and there is an opinion. So how do you distinguish between them? So epistemology is the theory of knowledge. So the right answer is ethnology. So this studies the ethnicity of a particular. So what did you exercise? All these are not easy. However, if you read it once or twice, you can find the meaning. Even if you don't get the meaning, options. Try to eliminate 2 options out of 4. The remaining last 2 options, 1 the right answer. Now you need to find some relation between the sentence and the right answer. Once you get that, once you find that relationship, you can choose and select that answer. And your answer will be 100.